Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. This is CBSE Class 10 Math Series. In this class, we'll be solving third example problem. I have uploaded example 1, 2 and introduction video. The video link is in the description. Do check it out, it will be helpful for you. Now we can read the question. Find the HCF of 96 and 404 by prime factorization method. Hence find their LCM. Question is find the HCF of 96 and 404 by prime factorization method. Hence find their LCM. We have to find out HCF and LCM of 96 and 404 using prime factorization method. Now we can see the solution. For the solution, we have to write the thing what is given in the question. What is given in the question? 96 and 404. We have to find out HCF and LCM using prime factorization method. HCF is highest common factor, LCM is least common multiple. Now we are going to use prime factorization method for finding prime factors of 96 and 404. For 96, if I am taking 2, if I am dividing 96 by 2, I will be getting 4 2s are 8. 1 would be the remainder and 1 and 6. 16, 8 2s are 16, right? 8. And again I have to take prime number only. Here 2 into 2, 4. 4 2s are 8. If I am dividing 48 by 2, I will be getting 24. Again I have to divide 24 by 2. I will be getting 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. And again I have to divide it. Divide for 12 by 2, I'll be getting 6. Again 2, I'll be getting 3, right? And 3 will be here. 1 through 3 is 3. These are all the prime factors of 96. Okay, prime factors of 96 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 5 times 2 is appearing. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Right? And I have to find out the prime factors of 404 also. So if I am using L method, for finding prime factors, we have to take the smallest prime first. If I am dividing 404 by 2, I will be getting 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 2s are 4. Then again 2, 1 2 is 2, 0, 1 2 is 2. Then 1 not 1 is there. If you are checking with any prime numbers, we couldn't divide it completely. So I can take 101 itself. 101 into 1 is 101. So the prime factors are 2 into 2 into 101. Prime factors of 404 is prime factors of 404 is 2 into 101. We need to find out HCF first, right? What is the HCF of 96, 404? HCF means highest common factor. What is the common factor here? 2, again 2. That's it, right? Here I can take only 1 2 from this pair 2, and here I can take only 1 2. So the answer is 4, right? So this is the HCF of 96 and 404. HCF of 96 and 404 is 4, right? And next is LCM. What is LCM? Least common multiple. For that, what you have to do? You have to take 1 2 from here and also 1 2 from here, and we have to multiply this with all other factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 101. LCM of 96 comma 404 is, we have to take only 1 2 from this pair, okay? 2 into, and here also 2 into all other factors. 2 2 2, 3 times 2 into 3, again 101. 101. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 into 3, 32 into 3, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 3, 9, 96, 96 into 101, 96 into 101, 1 6 is 6, 0 into 6, 0, 1 6 is 6, and 9 into 1, 9, 9 into 0, 0, 9 into 1, 9, 6, 9, 6, 9, 9, 6, 9, 6. 9696. 9696. This is LCM value of 96 and 404. This is LCM and this one is HCF. HCF. That's it. This is the answer of third example problem. This much I had in this video. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, hit like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques for more updates. We'll see you in another video. Until then, Shiny signing off.